Okay, I took this off. Wasn't too bad. The wax resist worked pretty good. And this is about ready to mount a couple hubs and some bearings and an axle on it. It's interesting. This would be this is north, this is north, this is south, this is south. That gap between, it will also be, if this is north, this will be north, shooting out too. So that's good. And this is also interesting. You have four choices when you want to have them bucking against each other, the ends. You can either go here, 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 or here. There's only one of them that will cause a bucking. It's this one right here. The rest will be attracting, slight bucking. But the extreme bucking is like this, whoops, whatever that was. Okay, that's interesting because if you take two cylinder magnets, this will be attracting all the way. It doesn't matter if you rotate them. Doesn't matter. There's different qualities for a square magnet and a round magnet. Much different. So I found a bunch of air cores and a bunch of ferrite cord double coils. There's one here and one here on all these. This is from something long ago I don't really remember doing. But you see, one would be a motor coil, one would be a generator coil. So I guess I thought about that a long time ago. Here's toroid coils on a ferrite tube. I made a really good orbital motor with these. When you send some current into these winds, it blocks the magnetic field of the rotor magnet and it pulls naturally to the ferrite. So if you look up orbital motors, that's what I did here. You can have like I think I had 5 of these on each side, and then cylinder magnets in between. So found a bunch of magnets. This is interesting. Where is it? That guy down in Florida, I think his name was Rick. Can't remember. He died recently of cancer. He had that really good website, DRMG Hybrid 4 or something. Hybrid. He made those really good motors and generators, and he was getting into graphene, and he made stuff like this. I call it the Stargate motor because these magnets would make this motor go like 3 or 4 or 5 times faster, more power. But you also draw more amps doing it. But anyways, there's that. Microwave oven, little motor. So, whatever. These are what I put on the end of my rotoverter motor, and it had those big 2-inch magnets in here. This is like Philippine mahogany, I drilled a hole in the end of the shaft, so I would pop this on there. It has a keyway. And I got two of these. These are the AC motors from north, south, north, south. The coils are like in between, like here, but bigger coils. But this is north and this is south. You'll get this to both push and pull same time for double the power. Then when it rotates, you have to change the polarity like AC does. And now this will also push and pull all the way around. Whatever. So I guess the big news is this is north and north, and this is south and south, and the center is shooting out the same as these. Came out pretty good. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.